Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic. If you are creating TikTok videos with passion but your reach is still growing slowly, this video will help you. Today I am introducing TTBoost, a community focused app that helps users increase engagement through real interaction. It is simple to use, interactive, and designed to make account growth feel natural and enjoyable. Viewers, TT Boost runs on a smart coin based engagement system instead of automated activity. Users support each other by liking and following profiles. Every action earns coins, and those coins can be used later to request engagement on your TikTok profiles. Starting with TT Boost is open. Go to the Google Play Store, download and install the TTBoost application. Open the app and enter your TikTok username to begin. Here you can check out my TikTok account Gladiator Star with 32 followers. We will copy the username. Return to the TTBoost application. Enter your TikTok username and press continue to begin. When we follow a suggested TikTok profile, complete our task and return to the TTBoost application, we receive 5 coins successfully. And when we like suggested TikTok video and return to the TTBoost application, we receive 3 coins successfully. In this way, we will earn coins to increase our coin balance. Once your coin balance grows, visit the store section. Here you can place requests for followers or likes using your earned coins. So here you can check out, we can boost our TikTok profile Gladiator Star with 10 plus followers by paying 100 coins. So I will place my order. Here you can check out that our order has been submitted and it is in progress phase. Users who prefer faster engagement can explore optional premium packages. These packages provide a convenient option for users who want to save time while still receiving real engagement support, but these are optional. TTBoost also provides referral rewards to expand its community. Invite friends through more and refer section and you will receive 150 bonus coin for each successful sign up. This feature helps users increase their coin balance while sharing the platform with others. We can easily monitor engagement progress by visiting more, clicking on orders anytime. Here you can find out that our order has been completed. Now we will return to our TikTok profile. Here you can check out my TikTok profile Gladiator Star showing 15 plus increase in followers. So here we will check out the real and organic followers. So let's see it. So here you can find out that the number of followers now moves to 47, which was earlier just 32. So in this way, TTBoost offers a structured and community-driven approach to exploring TikTok engagement. Viewers, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic for more useful app reviews and digital growth tools. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.